Welcome guys, and today I'm going to show you how you can do cut the corner mission in Skate 4. So what you'll need to do is go and get some flip tricks like this. Make sure to do everywhere right here. And now what you'll need to do is 180 tricks. Okay, right like this. And now you need to go, I guess, right here. Okay, so I failed. Let's try again. So right here, get all those flip tricks. Make sure to stay on the board so the mission won't cancel it. Okay, let's do all of these and take this. Okay, now here jump it. Take this bearing and right here jump like this. And as you can see, we did all above in an attempt and we did the mission completely. So that's pretty much it. Comment down below for the algorithm and see you in the next one.